Hi there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to create customized and visually appealing proposals in seconds. This video is going to be divided into parts. In the first part I'm going to show you the system itself, how it works and the result. And the second part I will explain you how to create this automation yourself. This automation is a good fit for freelancers working with multiple clients or for agencies like the one I've built this system for that is already taking advantage of it. Okay, before we get started, this whole system is based on ClickUp, which is a project management tool that I've been using for most of my projects. The automations are made on make.com, my favorite tool at the moment. And the proposals are created on Prospero, which is basically a tool that allows to create proposals via API. Um, and basically the system goes like this. So on ClickUp, this is basically the command center where we have all clients that we are working with. Of course, this is dump data, just that I just created to exemplify. So basically, in this common room is the trigger for many different automations. In this video, I will focus only on the proposal part of it. So here we have a few different things. So basically, we have the clients that are all active, and very important here we have the different statuses. This is very important because it's the trigger for most automations, and the different status trigger different automations and they mean different things. So we have here proposal created, proposal accepted, and so on. Then here we have a drop down, which is basically the selection of the service we are providing to the client, the current phase that is integrated with the project management itself, total value, and a bunch of different fields. Here we have information about the clients, and here, very important as well, we have the hourly rate and the quote hours for stage 1, 2, and 3, because we are dividing our proposal in 3 different stages, and every stage will have a different pricing. That will be basically the quote number 1 times the hourly rate. That's the quote for the stage 1. So basically, on this list we also have a form view, which is basically this, but where by submitting this form a new client will be added to that list. So here I will exemplify what I mean. So company name, this is a company, this is my company name. um, I've built this system for a sustainability agency. So in this case I will pretend I'm a customer for that agency. Company general info, meat producer, company website, and employees. That outcome is reduce footprint of meat production. Key driver, comply with the legal requirements. Service requested will be scope 1, 2, and 3. We can have as many, of course, we can have as many services as we would like. Hourly rate, I'll just put a random number, 111. Quote hours will be 15, and then 20, and then 25. So this is the amount of hours. Once again, this will make sense in a bit. Payment basis, it doesn't really matter here. It's for the invoicing automation, another automation that is based on this system. And then I'll put my name, Miguel Costa, and test gmail.com. And Chana, it took me a minute to fill out this form. And basically filling out this form will add a client to this list with, very important, the status, new client. So now we get to the automation. So basically the automation is divided in 3 different parts. First we have the trigger. The trigger is basically on ClickUp we are looking for clients with this status, new client. So this is the trigger. And then we have a filter that will filter depending on the service requested. So it's something like this. And then we have the bottom branch is basically a notification for myself and updating the list. It doesn't matter for now. So if the automation is scheduled, this will happen automatically. In this case, I just triggered it manually to explain what happens. So basically, it goes all the way down. It updates the company status, and if we scroll to the end, we already have a proposal. If we click, da-na-na. Okay, so basically this took seconds to create, and it's a proposal that it was made customized for me. So basically, this is the name of my company. This is the name of the service I requested. This is my name. This is my name of the name of the company along the proposal. And so, for example, once again here, so it was custom made for this company that I basically triggered this proposal just by filling one form. And here, very importantly, in the pricing list, we have the pricing divided in three different stages that I named them how I like, with my hourly rate times the amount of hours I quote for that stage. So basically, we have the total for stage one, total for stage two, and total for stage three. That will give you this total. So basically, this proposal is ready to be sent for the client, which in this case would be me. It's ready to be sent, and the client can basically do two things in this proposal. One, contact, that we can integrate with whatever contact channels we like, or sign the proposal. Signing the proposal it's automatically tracked and will trigger other automations like creating the project in the project management tool, notifying the delivery team, creating a profile in the invoicing system, and all sorts of stuff. So basically, this is what happens. The automation starts with that trigger on ClickUp, looking for clients in this status. And then we have a filter depending on the service. So basically, it's one branch per service. In this case, it took the bottom branch because my the service requested was this one, scope 1, 2, and 3. And basically, this looks complex, but it's most of this is basically given by the Prospero tool. So basically, all these 6 modules, um, Prospero will teach them in their YouTube channel. I will leave the link below on the description. They teach in their YouTube channel how to create these, and this is basically just these 6 modules is just to have this list. And out of these 6 modules, I just interact with 2. So basically, this is just following a blueprint they give. So the first step is to create a JSON, which is basically what we do here is to create a JSON with the name of the stages and quoting, which for every stage, for this stage, my quote will be the quantity will be the hours and the value will be the hourly rate. These for the 3 stages. And here on the proposal side of things, project name will be the name of the client and the service, name of the client, the email that we got from the form, price value. This is also given by Prospero. I will leave the link below so you can see by Prospero how to create this by yourself. But basically, I just give this information here, basically naming the project, giving the client email, and I just set some custom variables like the company name, the client name, service, product, hourly rate. So basically, in order for this to happen, the name and the company name and all that to be automatically created, I have to create the variables and name the variables. So this is basically what I'm doing with this module. And then I set variable. So proposal is the publishable link that comes as output of that module. So this is step 2 of the automation. Step 3 is basically I start there. I get the variable. So I'll basically get the link of the proposal. I will have an AI generated paragraph to be very relevant. So basically, after the proposal is created, there's 2 things that happen. One thing, on the list, this link is added here. So basically, the client now has a proposal attached to it, and I email myself, basically notifying myself a new proposal has been created, which basically gives me allows me to see the proposal, to validate or to edit if anything is needed. On top of that, I not only email myself notifying, but I also create automatically um, a draft email to be sent to the client itself. This is the name of the client, in this case, my name, with the test Gmail proposal for here's the service requested, here's the company name, here's the name of the first name of the client, and here is AI generated paragraph that is ultra relevant to the company. So basically, just not to send a template email like we could send to every client, we basically use AI to generate this paragraph just to be more relevant. So as you can see, by reducing the carbon footprint of meat production, so he's already targeting my company just to feel a little bit more customized. And basically that happens on this third branch. On the third branch, I have an AI module integrated with ChatGPT, basically OpenAI module, I mean, integrated with ChatGPT that will generate that sentence. We'll be able to see it here. By reducing the carbon footprint of meat production, your company sets a new benchmark for environmental stewardship, fostering a future where compliance and sustainability coexist. So we can confirm this is what's here on the email. And with that, I will do two things. First, I will create a draft. I will create a draft message. So this draft message is created here with the link for the proposal, a link to this proposal, ready to be sent. And I create and send a message to myself, the notification. So basically, this is what happens. And the last step is, of course, we change the client status to proposal created, which is what happened here. Proposal was created. So basically, this is the system. As you can see, it allows you to create customized and visually appealing proposals by submitting one form in under 1 minute. So this is it. This is how the system works. If you want the links for any of these tools, both ClickUp, Prospero, and Make, the links are down below. You can try them for free. And if you'd like to see this system, as I told you, this is just one automation of a whole system that I've built for agencies, where it has from automated proposals, invoicing, client onboarding, workflow management, client reports, team management, and much more. Everything integrated in this system. If you'd like to see, I've created a free demo, and you can also see it here on YouTube. And that's basically it. I hope you liked. I hope you took some value from it. If you have any questions, just drop them below and I'll be more than happy to help. And if not, I will see you in the next video.